Number 1. 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7, $6,995, Moriarty, New Mexico. This 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7 is a well-preserved example of early 1970s personal luxury muscle. Finished in silver and showing 99,000 miles, it features rear-wheel drive, a clean New Mexico title, and excellent original condition. Power comes from a desirable 351 Cleveland V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Factory air conditioning and power steering add comfort, while the XR7 trim provides upscale styling and interior details. It delivers strong V8 performance with refined road manners at an approachable price point. Number 2. 1976 Oldsmobile 98, $9,000, Peoria, Illinois. This 1976 Oldsmobile 98 Coupe represents classic American full-size luxury. With 96,000 miles and a clean title, it runs and drives very well. Power is supplied by the legendary 455 Rocket V8, known for smooth torque and effortless highway cruising. Recent updates include fuel system components, charging system repairs, ignition parts, suspension work, and fresh oil. The interior remains near immaculate, making this a comfortable and powerful 1970s cruiser. Number 3. 1973 International Travelall, $3,500, Laguna Beach, California. This 1973 International Travelall is a rare utility vehicle comparable in size and purpose to a Suburban. Powered by a 3-rotor V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs, moves, and stops but requires brake work. Showing 37,890 miles, it has age-related rust and one fuel tank that needs to be connected. With a clean California title, current registration, and no smog requirement, it offers solid potential as a project or beach cruiser. Number 4. 1950 DeSoto, $5,000, Nipomo, California. This 1950 DeSoto is a post-war classic offered as a restoration project. Showing 100,000 miles with a non-functioning odometer, it carries a clean title but does not currently run. The car last ran approximately 15 years ago and is equipped with a fluid drive transmission. Visible body rust and a trunk-mounted fuel tank are present. Long-term ownership and classic styling make it a suitable learning project for restoration enthusiasts. Number 5. 1965 Dodge Dart GT Coupe V8, $9,000, Reseda, California. This 1965 Dodge Dart GT Coupe is a California car retaining its original paint, interior, and V8 engine. Showing 65,000 miles, it features bucket seats, a center console, and an automatic transmission. The car has been sitting for 2 years and will need a tune-up. With a clean title and pink slip in hand, it represents an increasingly rare example of an original Mopar compact muscle car. Number 6. 1941 Plymouth P12 Special Deluxe, $13,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1941 Plymouth P12 Special Deluxe is a striking pre-war classic with suicide doors and strong road presence. It features a new motor, new carburetor, and numerous new parts, and it runs and drives very well. Showing 8,000 miles, it is fully functional, including heater, power steering, and radio. Finished in matte black with full chrome trim, it is ready to drive as is or repaint to personal preference. Number 7. 1954 Chevrolet two-door coupe, $14,500, St. Paul, Minnesota. This 1954 Chevrolet two-door coupe is a clean, driver-quality classic, showing 32,350 miles. Equipped with a manual transmission, it delivers an authentic 1950s driving experience. Both the interior and exterior are very clean, with only minor blemishes, and all systems are reported to function properly. It is best suited as a dependable cruiser rather than a show-only vehicle. Number 8. 1969 Mercury Monterey Custom V8, $14,750, Beverly Hills, California. This 1969 Mercury Monterey is a rare custom sleeper that blends full-size comfort with strong performance. Powered by a factory big block 390 V8 producing approximately 350 horsepower, it is paired with an automatic transmission. Upgraded suspension, power steering, and power brakes enhance drivability, while vintage air conditioning and extensive documented work make it drive exceptionally well. It is ready for daily use, cruising, or show duty. Number 9. 1964 Buick Skylark Sportwagon, $7,995, Prescott, Arizona. This 1964 Buick Skylark Sportwagon is a rare long-roof classic with one longtime owner, powered by a 300 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. It has been parked since 1996. The engine turns freely and has received recent starter, battery, and ignition work. With rust-free Arizona history, factory air conditioning, and a clean title, it presents excellent restoration potential. Number 10. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Supersport Hardtop, $14,900, Ventura, California. This 1965 Chevrolet Malibu Supersport Hardtop is a solid California car with no rust issues. Powered by a mildly built 350 V8 and an automatic transmission, it runs strong and shifts smoothly. Showing 49,555 miles, it retains its original interior and features bucket seats, floor shifter, power steering, power brakes, and 4-wheel disc brakes. With a clean California title, it is fully cruiser ready. Number 11. 1966 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron 4-door hardtop, $12,900, Livermore, California. This 1966 Chrysler Imperial LeBaron is a rare luxury sedan with only 1,178 examples produced. Powered by a 440 cubic inch wedge V8 paired with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, it runs and drives beautifully. Showing 92,800 miles believed to be original, it remains largely unrestored and features extensive power options, including electric vent windows and air conditioning. As the final year of the standalone Imperial platform, it carries strong historical significance and collector appeal.